I think it's amazing.
I think it's gorgeous.
I think it's wonderful.
I think it's really pretty.
I think it's grand.
It does look like money well spent.
It's very modern, a lovely building so far, and I'm just getting started with my tour.
Then you got 4th grade, then you got 5th grade.
We had an open house for members of the community, and it was amazing.
I got the last parking place because it's so popular to be here and check out the new school.
People from all generations, former staff members, community members, alumni, and they were all here to see this new beautiful building and community space.
I went to school here, so came back to see what the new place is like.
I was an alum a long time ago, back in the 1980s. And then when I went here, it was low ceilings, and it feels pretty spacious. It feels like a solid building. The layout's pretty easy to get your head around.
We've watched the construction over the last 2 years. I'm impressed with how quickly everything came together. I'm impressed with the grounds around the school.
The first thing I noticed was the front right here. There's so much more parking. It feels safer. When we were here in school, there wasn't as much parking, like spaces separate from like where the kids would get picked up. So I feel like we would always get picked up quite literally next to all the cars and the buses, and it was a little bit hectic back then.
I think the safety element of the improvements that they've done to the public works, so sidewalks, the stoplights, the flow of traffic with how buses will come in and out of here, it's going to significantly improve just the flow in the mornings and afternoons.
The traffic lights have been needed for decades, so that's a great improvement. It's going to be much safer to get to school now, so definitely thrilled for that.
Shoals Ferry. Walk sign is on New Cross.
This building will also serve as a community hub. It's earthquake resilient, so if there was a natural disaster or in case of a crisis, this building will be here for the community beyond just the students.
Having an anchor location in a community like Raleigh Hills that is earthquake safe is a huge bonus to the community.
I used to be a disaster action nurse with the Red Cross, and you need places like this. It's a community asset.
It makes me feel better about the next generation being more taken care of, especially in like the places that they're going to be in like every day.
The playground is beautiful and accessible to community members. They can walk the track in the evenings or the afternoon after students. It really is a space for everyone.
If I had an adult sports team, I'd try to find out if we could use the facilities.
We've already played at the playground a few times. Super modern looking, interesting playground. It does show a lot of the creativity of the area.
Overall, there was an overwhelming sense of excitement for how the building looked.
I like that it has a lot of windows so that natural light comes, and that's good for everybody's mental health.
It's been amazing to see all the amazing changes.
Everything is just colorful and clean. Definitely exciting for these guys. They're jumping up and touching the little squirrels on the tree sculptures. And that library looks especially welcoming with those little house-shaped reading nooks for the kids. Both of our kids want to read books the minute they walk in the door here, so that's exciting.
I think the interest in the school tells me about the strength of the Raleigh Hills community, and that it's greater than just what's in the building right now, but the shoulders of those who we stand on, all the stories that came before us, is what helps make this community so special. I walked away feeling a lot of hope and optimism for what this year will bring for the students and the community of Raleigh Hills, and also for the years to come.